In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy array iterating. Iterating arrays. Iterating means going through elements one by one. As we deal with multi-dimensional arrays in NumPy, we can do this using basic for loop of Python. If we iterate on a 1D array, it will go through each element one by one. See the example. Iterate on elements of the following 1D arrays. If we execute this code, the result returns this 1, 2, 3. They are iterating. Iterating 2D arrays. In a 2D arrays, it will go through all the rows. Iterate on the elements of the following 2D arrays. See, if we execute this code, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we iterate on a ND array, it will go through n-th dimensions one by one. To return the actual values, the scalars, we have to iterate the arrays in each dimension. See the example, iterate on each scalar elements of the 2D arrays. If we execute this code, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Iterating 3D arrays. In a 3D arrays, it will go through all the 2D arrays. Iterate on the elements of the following 3D arrays. See here, if we execute this code, the result is see 1, 2, 3. There are 3 iteratings. To return the actual values, the scalars, we have to iterate the arrays in each dimension. See, iterate down to the scalars. If we execute this code, the result is 1 to 12. See, it is iterating one by one down. Iterating arrays using NDiter. The function NDiter is a helping function that can be used from very basic to very advanced iterations. It solves some basic issues which we face an iteration. Let us go through it with examples. Iterating on each scalar element. In basic for loops, iterating through each scalar of an array, we need to use n for loops, which can be difficult to write for arrays with very high dimensionally. See the example. Iterate through the following 3D arrays. See, if we execute this code by giving np NDiter array, see the result returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Iterating array with different data types. We can use op_d types arguments and pass it the expected data type to change the data type of elements while iterating. NumPy does not change the data type of the element in place where the element is an array, so it needs some other space to perform this action. That extra space is called buffer, and in order to enable it in NDiter method, we pass flags is equal to buffered. See the example, iterate through the arrays as a string. See the code, if we execute this code, the result returns this b1, b2, b3. Iterating with different step size. We can use filtering and followed by iteration. Iterate through every scalar element of the 2D array skipping one element. See, if we execute this code, see it skipped and 1, 3, 5, 7. The every second one is skipped. Enumerated iteration using ND-numerated. Enumeration means mentioning sequence number of some things one by one. Sometimes we require corresponding index of the element, which iterating the enumerate method can be used for those use cases. See, here we had used an enumerator method. See, the result is 0 in brackets 1, 1 in brackets 2, 2 in brackets 3. Second example, enumerate on following 2D arrays elements, same like 2D elements. Its result returns with 2D elements. Okay friends, this is the end of part 10 array iterating. In next video, let us learn about another topic, joining array. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.